Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete. This is the culture of the SaaS products that you have to learn from your people and come to the Slack spot. This is the culture of delete audience in Slack, the topic of the delete of the Slack. You can bring that to the forefront and match all of the 70 million pieces of one satellite tower. This is the culture of delete of the Slack. Delete of the Slack. Whether you're looking to clean up your organization's workspace or just remove a channel that no longer needed, it's crucial to know how to do this efficiently and carefully, given that the process is permanent and cannot be undone. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, it's important to understand that only workspace owners, admins, or users with the correct permissions can delete channels. If you don't see the delete option later in this process, it may be due to restrictions set by your organization. Slack takes data control very seriously, so these limitations help prevent accidental or unauthorized channel removals. First, you'll want to open Slack and direct your attention to the sidebar, where all your channels are listed. Find the specific channel you want to delete, click on it to open, and you'll be taken to the conversation window for that channel, where all the previous discussions and messages are displayed. Once you are in the channel, look at the top of the conversation window, where you'll see the channel name, something like #ProjectX, for example. Click on this channel name to access the channel details panel. This action will bring up a variety of options and information specific to the channel, providing you with more control over it. Now that you have the channel details panel open on the right side of your screen, you'll need to navigate to the settings specific to this channel. Look for the Settings tab. Usually it's easily found among other tabs labeled like About, Integrations, or Members. Click on the Settings tab to unveil more options relating to that channel. Scrolling down through the settings, you'll eventually find a crucial option: Delete this channel. This option might be at the very bottom, so ensure you scroll all the way down. When you click on Delete this channel, a confirmation window will appear. This window is vital because it cautions you that once deleted, the action cannot be undone, and all messages and files within the channel will also be permanently removed. It's really important to take a moment to carefully read this warning, making sure that deleting the channel is indeed what you want to do. If you're absolutely sure, you can proceed by checking the box that's labeled Yes, permanently delete the channel. This step acts as an extra precaution to ensure you're making an informed decision. As a professional tip, before deleting a channel, consider whether archiving it might be a better solution. Archiving hides the channel from active use while preserving the messages for future reference. A great option when you want to reduce clutter but still keep important information accessible. Finally, to complete the delete process, you'll click on the red Delete Channel button that's present on the confirmation window. Once you do, Slack will go ahead and remove the channel completely. Be sure to inform your team or any channel participants beforehand, just in case they need to save any important information before the channel is eliminated. And that's it. You successfully deleted a channel on Slack. Remember, this action can't be reversed, so always double-check whether this is the best step for your team or organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy Slack management. To support the channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment below with any Slack tutorials you'd like to see next. Your engagement helps me bring more useful content directly to you.